Hello guys, welcome you again. I am going to unbox today a portable table for laptops. So I purchased it from Flipkart. So I received the package as you are viewing in this video. So I will just unpack this. So this table cost me around something 1.5k, which will be worth it. I will show you in a second. So let's just unbox this. So this is the table guys, my buddy plus laptop cooling desk. The fun factor in this table is it has a cooling fan. So this is the features stated in this box. So this is the bill, invoice bill. I will keep it aside. So the main feature of this table is it is handy, it is less weight. It has a 6 level of elevation, I mean 3 tilt and 6 heights, so it totals up to 18 types. So it can withstand up to 1.5 kg. It is suitable for up to 15.6 inches of laptops. Also it has a handrest for a mouse using. So I will just open this package. The packaging was very simple. This is the product itself. I will keep the box aside and I will peel the plastic wrap. So guys, the finishing is amazing. The quality of this product is worth for money. This piece was removed. I just installed it. It is nothing a problem. So this is the back side of the product. As I told you, it comes with a 1800 rpm of fan. So you have to pull the legs upside towards you, then it will open up, and bottom of the legs have rubber grips so that in case you are working in a table or floor, it won't slip out. So I will show you the fan. So this is the fan vent. It is very useful for a laptop which produce a decent amount of heat. It won't cool your laptop to freeze, but it will circulate the air at least. So this is the tilt I just talked about. You have to open this lever and you can tilt it in 3 angles. As you can see, so I will power this fan by plugging it in power bank. As you can see, the fan switched on, but it doesn't throw the amount of air in which styrofoam will flow up, but I will give you a quite decent understanding. While I keep the invoice, as you can see, it just hovers. So that's the amount of air it circulates. It is very good enough for a decent laptop. So that's it in the video guys. If you like my work, please like, share and subscribe. If you like my videos, click the top right I button so that you will find the unboxing playlist. Thank you for now. Bye.